Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, welcome. I'm all about DIYs, home projects, and food. I found this vintage entry console table on Facebook Marketplace for $35. I've been on the hunt for an Entryway console table in a similar style and color, but everyone that I would find was well over $200. I will be showing you how I will be giving it a complete high-end transformation. I'll walk you through every step of the refinishing process, from prepping, sanding, and painting. So grab a snack, get cozy, and let's get started. Before we jump in, here's a quick look at the supplies I'll be using for this project. A pair of gloves, sandpaper in 80 and 120 grit. I purchased these from Amazon. I will be linking them in the description box down below. This paint from the Home Depot in the color Toasted Almond. This gel stain in dark walnut. A paint stick and a can opener. And finally, plastic wood to fill in any damaged spots. To get started, I'm using some plastic wood to fill in any damaged areas and smooth out imperfections. This will give us a nice, clean surface before we move on to sanding and painting. Once the plastic wood has dried, it was time to sand the entire table. Next, I prep my paint wash by mixing some of my Toasted Almond paint into half a cup of water. I will begin by brushing on the paint wash. And I will be using a towel to wipe away the excess paint. I repeated the same process across the entire table, applying about 2 coats. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. As the table dries, you won't be able to see as much of the stroke lines that the paint leaves behind. Once finished, the table looks so much lighter. This paint wash helps cancel all the orange hues that we do not want. Now it's time to apply the gel stain. For this step, it's all about the technique. Apply a coat of gel stain, then wipe it back with a towel between layers. I ended up doing about 2 coats, but you can do as many coats that works for you, depending on how dark you want your results to be. As you can see, the light colored paint wash helps enhance the rich dark walnut color. And here's how it turned out once everything was finished. Now it's ready to go by my entryway. I can't wait to decorate it. This rich dark walnut color will truly elevate my space, especially compared to the orange tone table it used to be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I hope it inspired you to take on your own budget-friendly makeovers. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And let me know down in the comments if you would give this technique a try. Until next time, bye friends!